Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished participants in this side event sponsored by the government of Vanuatu. As the Minister for Foreign Affairs of Finland and as a former Minister of the Environment and Development with a keen interest in global environmental issues, I am happy to congratulate the governments of Vanuatu and Maldives for having initiated the international exchange of views on how to introduce into international law the crime of ecocide. The small islands, states of the Pacific and the Indian Ocean are most dramatically threatened by the advanced warming of the climate and need the support of international community. As a member state of the European Union, Finland will do its utmost to combat climate change and alleviate its effects. Our own climate goal is to have a carbon-neutral Finland by 2035. The criminalization of ecocide, when eventually approved and brought into force, will not have retroactive effect. It is therefore all the more important to ensure that such new international law would have a strong preventive effect. At the same time, it is important to recognize, as has been done by the ICC Office of the Prosecutor in its 2016 policy paper, that also the crimes already under the jurisdiction of the court, in particular genocide, crimes against humanity and war crimes, can be used to address environmental destruction. A lot remains to be done to reach agreement among the states parties to the Rome Statute to support the inclusion of the crime of ecocide within the jurisdiction of the court. The definition of ecocide as an international crime will be an essential element of that further debate. We follow this work with great interest and look forward to the report of the international group of experts established for this purpose by the Stop Ecocide Foundation. Thank you.